Japan here. Just woke up. Look at our view. Something a little classy, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get our day started. It's 5 a.m. So rise and shine, walkers.
We are at Shinkansen station, waiting for the bullet train. We are car 13 to Kyoto.
200 miles per hour, baby. 200. 200.
We are out at Hongdae Mall in Kyoto Station. Dang, that was good, dude. Alright, ready?
We don't need a scan, do we?
Dude, it's pouring rain out here. It's pouring rain. Okay, thank you. Let's make it to the KBBQ spot now.
Yep.
All right, here we go, guys. Pouring rain out. We're in Hongdae. Hongdae, South Korea. Trying to get some KBBQ.
To get to this barbecue spot to meet Ryan.
Ryan has no umbrella. He's wearing hokas and a tank top. And he said he was just hiding in a corner, so we'll have to find him right now.
Oh my god.
We're almost there,
All
though.
of our shoes and socks are wet.
Holy shit. We should have got the raincoat. Yeah, my foot is soaked, dude. Bro, my feet are soaked. No shot. Bro, where is this place? I have no idea.
Fuck my life.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck, my legs.
soaked.
My legs hurt. My back hurts. My butt hurts.
How are your shoes?
Oh.
No, not that soaked. I got it.
Bro,
before
look
it
at my
started.
feet.
Bro, my socks are soaked.
I didn't think it was gonna rain this hard, to be honest.
Let's